Hello, Chef here. A real quick recipe for you. I'm making a tomato grilled artichoke, fresh herb, lemon vinaigrette, Vidalia onion appetizer. It's so simple. You need some fresh tomatoes. You need some artichoke halves, fresh or canned. You need some fresh herbs. Hopefully you're growing these in your garden by now. I've got the basil, I got some oregano. You need a lemon and you need a Vidalia onion, okay? Now, people ask, well, what's this all about? Well, that's a piece of onion I already sliced. I'm going to be using for the video right there. Just wanted to show that to you. Gigantic Vidalia onion. These onions are sweet, by the way. And if you want to learn more about onions, just search this channel. So you're wondering what I'm doing? Well, I'm going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on this onion like this. And I'm going to grill it. But before I do that, let's give the basil a little chiffonade. For a chiffonade, you lay your basil leaves up together like this and you roll them tightly. I'm using this Siyosaka Japanese knife, handmade in Japan. Let's give it a little slice. Wow, cut so nice. Perfect, consistent, thin slices, minimal effort. Right there. That's what I'm looking for. And that's why I use the best knives I can find. Like this one. Oh yeah. Follow along for the recipe. Here we go. Okay, I've got a very hot grill plate here. You can use just a cast iron if you'd like to. Onions going on there. Artichokes. Want to get some color on them. Of sweet peppers in this recipe as well. I'm going to grill a couple of these sweet peppers up too. Fresh herbs. Okay, for the dressing, very quickly moving along here. Lemon, zester. Just a little tiny bit of zest is all we're looking for. Just like that. Herbs, a little bit. Tomatoes, just a few. Other ingredients we're going to be putting in our salad. Oh yeah. Some extra virgin olive oil. A little bit of black pepper. A touch of sea salt. A splash of golden balsamic vinegar. Oh yeah, it's looking really good. Sparkling Moscato, 1 ounce, as well as the very smallest amount of soy sauce. A few pieces of romaine lettuce, and I decided I'm going to match my tomato in the cut. Therefore I'm just going to go like this, straight across. This knife cuts through the lettuce really, really nicely. Nice consistent cuts, matches my other consistent cuts. Ah, the champagne vinaigrette dressing. This goes in there like so. A couple more of these. Adding my roasted peppers. And now we give it a little toss. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's taste and adjust the seasonings. Wow. Well, you know me. More fresh herbs. Oh, the roasted onion. Vidalia onion. It's going to go right here. It's going to be really, really good. Another gift box. What do we have here? Wow, love the packaging. A handmade platter with real gold leaf from Japan. Wow, I like it. I'm going to wash it off and I'll be serving my appetizer on this platter. Baby pickle. In French, we call this cornichon. And quite often we like to take and fan these out because it looks really cool. And it's something that's kind of hard to get. Cornichon. Just fan it out like this. Nice garnish. Okay, just beginning with my artichoke salad here. I'm going to have the artichokes coming off like this from the gold leaf. Very, very cool looking. I'm going to put a little bit of this roasted pepper champagne vinaigrette on the plate right here. Not too much, just a nice amount like this. Yep. And I think I want another pepper right up there like that. Okay. Putting this cornichon right here. I've got a couple more of these tomatoes coming across like this, as well as just a couple pieces of my julienne tomato just for garnish like this around the plate. Hope you like watching my videos and the presentation. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, get cooking. Fresh herbs. Oh yeah, that is a chiffonade of sweet, tangy basil. Perfect for summertime. Wow, I think that's going to be a winner. Looking good. Try out the recipes. And please support your sponsors. Keeps these videos going, and it's good to support small business. Handmade knife from Japan. Damascus. Whoa, Japanese stampings. Walnut octagon handle. Wow, let's check the balance. Oh yeah, I like the balance. In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on, oh, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on a million times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Exceptional. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. With a juice groove, without a juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel, The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. You're gonna like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,